Yo, yo, yo. What's up, guys? What is going on? Spot 5 more evals of Koki. WWW. Very nice. There. Okay, boys. Okay, boys and girls. Start stay up till 2:35. Nah. We here. Sesame, I'm still working on getting your issue resolved, by the way, bro. Don't worry. We're gonna get you situated very soon, my brother. Okay, so yeah, let's get started here. So few important things to note, right? First one being this daily wick from hitting the daily fair value gap. This is 2542.25, so mark that. 2542.25. Daily wick from hitting the daily fair value gap, right there. That's the daily gap. We hit the daily wick, that the daily wick is going to be a good area of rejection. And then another one is going to be this 4-hour wick, which is 2578. So this is another level to mark out. And these are basically the two levels that I'm going to be watching here for a potential rejection. Okay. Now the daily wick here, right? Daily wick, as you guys can see, lines up with this hourly fair value gap, with this hourly BPR actually. The upper one doesn't really line up with anything, but still a good level regardless, in case it wants to trade up a little bit higher. So we have that here. And 15-minute, right? Little baby 15-minute gap inside of there as well. So these are going to be the two areas to keep on watch. I'm going to color these both orange. And so these are the areas you want to, basically keep on watch here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Boom. Boom, boom. And then I'll let you guys know if I see any levels inside of this area. So like I do have a 2540 as a level, and you know what, like that, honestly, I am more than willing to use this this account here on So gonna look to short this 2540. All right. And gonna keep a 20-point stop loss at 60. Like so. 60. Bro, can I get 60 here? What are we doing? 60. Right there. Liking that a lot. And then the next area I have is 86. I have a level here at 86 as well. So 86, I'm going to place another limit there. It's just basically whichever one of these ends up playing out. Cool. All right. But these are going to be my two limits here right now. These are going to be the sell limits. I am not opposed to taking a little long here coming up into these sell limits. I don't think it's a bad idea. Yes, let me post a picture of these levels in the premium. Okay. I'm at Chick-fil-A. What you want? I don't eat Chick-fil-A, bro. My limits, I have a limit at 25,040 with a 20-point stop loss, and then a limit at 25,086, also with a 20-point stop loss. Those are going to be the two limits here. How to use hard timer candles when you have on your screen as Confluence. Just to see like the live candle, like how it forms, where it makes the high, where it makes the low. It's very helpful, to be honest with you, Twia. Conviction that we're going to reverse off these levels. We have the two super secret levels in here that line up with a daily wick CE here. This 25,042 is the daily wick CE, and then up here is the 4-hour wick CE. The daily wick CE, we have a hourly gap there, along with a 15-minute gap as well. What if it breaks through the buy stop? That means you get stopped out. And then we lose money. How much exactly do we lose here? Let's test it out. Let's see. So with 2 minis, I'm risking... Ooh, I might be risking too much, bro. I might be tweaking out, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Let me chill out, bro. I don't know who I thought I was, bro, but let me chill, bro. I'm gonna go down to 1 mini. I'm gonna go down to 1 mini, bro. I thought I was him for a second, bro. I'm not that guy. Yeah, so let's see if we can maybe like capture a trade here. To be honest with you guys, I think to come up into these levels, this is gonna take a hot ass minute. This is going to take a while, but screenshot these levels, and this is what I would like keep on my chart. Even if you're not going to take these, just like something to observe. It's good to observe these levels. But yeah, other than that, I would like to see how this trades inside of here, whether it like respects something, what it doesn't respect. The issue is we don't have anything on a 15-minute that we could use here, like at all, right? Aside from this gap. So we can mark out this gap and watch that. But aside from that, there's literally nothing that this could possibly like respect. My reasoning now for being higher time frame bearish is because daily fair value gap and 1 hour bearish change in state of delivery, right? So, you know, the higher time frame has shifted structure here, right? Shifted back down to bearish structure. So we'll see how that plays out. I use your higher time candles on Confluence just so I can see the active like 4-hour, the current candle, because I trade the 4-hour candle. Sometimes I trade the daily candle, and it's nice being able to see like if they have a lower wick or a higher wick, because that helps me with my bias, right? If they don't have a wick to the upside or downside, if I don't see a clear manipulation leg, then that means that we are going to trade back towards that wick and create a wick, right? So yeah, that's kind of the basis behind this. The indicator is this right here. This is the indicator for the 4-hour candles, or the 4-hour and the daily candles. Missed New York this morning. Still high time bearish. Well, in New York we traded the longs. But yeah, now I'm higher time frame bearish. Yes. Until previous day high gets broken, I am higher time frame bearish. If previous day high gets broken, I'll switch back to bearish. What's up? What's up? What's good, Dennis? Bearish until previous day high gets broken, then you're bearish again? No, no, no. If it breaks previous day high, I'll be bullish. That Asia play smashed PDH last night. Absolutely banked. I know. I told you guys, bro, if you're unfunded, keep that shit break even. We call it the low. It was literally the low. It was beautiful. Yes, I am on my fundage, bro. I'm on the fundage now, yeah. These are not my Apex fundeds. Not the new ones. I haven't activated the new ones yet. These are my old Apex funded. The 20 Apex fundeds that I had. These are those. And now I'm starting to put on aggressive size onto those because it's like I'm just trying to... I really don't give a shit if I blow them because I want to start the fresh 20 with you guys. So I'm just going to size up. Like if I make a fuck ton of money, cool. If I don't, cool. You know what I'm saying? But my goal here is to start a fresh 20 stack with you guys and just trade them with you guys. And then basically you have no excuse to being unprofitable because if I'm trading 20 stack that I passed in front of you guys, that you guys all passed with me, that we start together and that we trade together and you're still unprofitable, there's a problem. And it's from within. And you probably should quit. The limit? Yeah. TP for the trade. TP is the lows, bro. The lows. Yeah, this is very much just accumulating right now, as you guys can see. Like, we've just been in this range. I really did, like, I honestly, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I debated getting on live because I looked at this range and I was like, bro, we're just ranging. I don't know when we're gonna break out of this, but okay, we here. Any reason why your stop is 20 point, not 10 or 5? The range is bigger, so we have to go with 20 points, unfortunately. When you'll be starting new stack, I want to start with you. As soon as this one's blown, which I'm gonna really attempt to blow this one, okay? I'm gonna just size stupid, bro. I'm gonna like go stupid with this. Either I'm gonna accidentally get a 40k payout, or I'm gonna blow them. But the goal is to just blow them. So if I accidentally get a 40k payout trying to blow them, then first time hearing about Blue Guardian, can you share your experience? My experience is pretty good. I put my payout cert in there, in the chat. Not a bad firm, like pretty decent firm. I would urge you guys to look at the rules. But there's 100% payout split, which is pretty sick. End of day drawdown, no trailing. And for me, I did the Guardian account. So $48 activation on that, $0 activation on the standard. Consistency, there is consistency on the Guardian one, and then no consistency on the standard. So it's like, it's not bad, bro. I think it's a decent firm. But yeah. Should we be cautious if you're looking to blow? No, I'm still taking good trades. I'm just sizing up. I'm just sizing up heavily. That's it. Tradecopia is goated. Use code KEY. Amazing platform. I told you, bro. Tradecopia is nice, man. It is a very nice platform. I'm a fan. Zero activation, no consistency sounds great. Yeah. That what I'm saying, bro. So... I missed you passing the evals. How do you do it? I did it on what's it called? Bam, 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 bam. Bro. I did it on Asia Live. We just took a fire trade, bro. And that was it. Confluence is on the limits besides the Keyflow secret sauce. Besides the Keyflow secret sauce, hourly fair value gap here, which lines up with the daily wick CE, and this one is a 4-hour CE. Your new video on gold is fire. You guys flip with the gold video, bro. Everybody, if you haven't already, I uploaded a video on my model for gold. So the people who come in here spamming, oh, short on gold, long on gold, go watch that video. I tell you guys exactly how I trade gold. If that setup that I showed in the video is there, then there's a very good chance that I would take it. Which one looks better out of these limits? Honestly, I like the lower one more. I like 40 a little bit more. Just because we have an hourly gap there as well. Prices showing slightly different than those in announcements. How? I didn't even say any prices in the announcements, bro. For TP, which low do you recommend? For TP, I would target the previous day low, bro. Previous day low. Can you drop the link? The link is in my free Discord, bro. The link is in my free Discord. New to trading, or are you looking to buy or sell? I'm looking to sell. So I have 2 sell limits up here. Looking to sell up here and then up here. Yep, there you go. Bean just put it in the chat. There you go. There's the link for the gold video. Why don't you long to your limit if you know it'll get there? So, okay. First of all, there's no actionable setup here to long, right? That's number one. We're in a range. That's first and foremost. Second, just because you're planning on a short trade taking place up here does not warrant a long trade down here, right? Because you're planning for this trade, you're not planning for this trade, right? This move up can be like really ass. It could be a really shitty move up, right? This move up is not guaranteed to be good because again, it's counter to the higher time frame bias. So, you know, the move up is essentially just us building liquidity to then take out once we hit these levels, right? That's what this move up is going to be. That's the purpose this move up serves. So yeah, it's not a high probability trade here. Like I said, I'm not opposed to taking one, but there has to be a good looking setup. There's no good looking setup in here. You have a link for your Discord? Yes, do the command ! Discord in the comments. What's better, Top Step, Express? Nothing. Nothing that has anything to do with Top Step is better in any way. Top Step is garbage. I'm having trouble using the higher time frame candles. How would I use it for entries and time frame alignment? You don't really. I mean, if you're talking about these two right here, you're not really using these for entries. This is just to like almost build a narrative. Like you can just see a 4-hour candle and a daily candle here without actually having to go through a 4-hour or a daily chart. That's the appeal of having these here. YouTube isn't notifying me when you're live New York session. Well, I'm live at 9:15 a.m. every morning, so if it's not notifying you, just come and check it out at 9:15. Around 9:15, I'm going to be live. Like, before 9:30, I'm live on YouTube. Yeah, bro. Top Step is garbage, man. Like, straight up, it's just ass. That Top Step X platform, the fact that you guys, like, experienced all of those, like, bugs that Top Step kind of went through, and like so much bullshit that they as like one of the bigger firms that are out there were unable to resolve for what, 2 months straight. Not a fan, bro. Not a fan. Price doesn't go up now. Will you leave the trade open for London session? Yeah, I'll leave the trade open, yes. The TP is gonna be previous day low, bro. TP is gonna be previous day low. Can you go over today's PA? What are your thoughts? Go to the New York session. We traded it. Go watch the stream for New York session. All I'm gonna say, Top Step did add funky rules and raise their prices, but I got paid out by them. Because the Keyflow's premium, y'all gotta join for real. Yeah, dude, they're just garbage, bro. Crazy, I got my first home trading, and my coworkers still don't believe you can make money trading. Been with Key since 2023, bro. Hell yeah, dude. Bro, that's fire. First home trading, W, bro. Will you have previous day low as your static TP if it works out? No, because I expect it to continue going lower. I don't expect previous day low to get hit until like later in the New York session. So, you know, like this is if you're gonna have a static like hard TP, this is a better TP. This is one that for sure like we could hit by New York, right? By the end of New York, pretty much like this could be a good target. This one, I mean, we still have a little bit of time to get there. Like this is a pretty large range from these limits. We're looking at almost a 300 point move. So from here to here, like it's a good move. Can it fall from here? I don't think so. I do not think so. I think it needs to go higher. What session is your model more high probability? Both. I'm on top 7 now and just pass an eval in my cook chat. Yeah, you're cooked. You're done for. You're pretty much done for, brother. Hate to break it to you. Use code key in Blue Guardian Standard. Hell yeah, bro. Code key on any of these up here. You automatically get entered to win giveaway. Where's Buddy? Yeah, bro. Where's my little buddy? Where's my little buddy Sushi, bro? My littlest buddy Sushi. I use your code for a key and for an Apex account. Thanks. Hell yeah. WWW. I need this or my family won't eat. oh, Sushi's here, bro. Sushi's here. W Sushi. My manager said, wait, hold on, wait. My manager said I'm not gonna make money from this. Little does he know I'm gonna request a payout this weekend. Your manager's a bozo, bro. You gotta take a payout and then do a money spread in his face. That's what you really got to do. Yo, bro, everybody better like the stream up, bro. Everybody better like up the stream right now. Like up the stream, guys. Like up the stream. I'm giving you guys bangers for the last 3 streams in a row. Straight bangers last 3 streams in a row. So, lock in. Got an account yesterday with your code. If you got it yesterday, yeah, you're in. You're in, bro. Buster. Price got stuck at 944. Just refresh it. Give us a fire signal on stream. Well, I gave you guys these 2 levels here. So, you know, are you not entertained yet? Just watch them play out, bro. I bought an account today. Why the heartbreak emoji? That's fine. If you bought an account today, that's fine too. If you bought it between like yesterday, today, and then all the way up until this promo is running, which is the 24th, you're still entered. You're still good. Can always make your live streams. I always watch the live replay. Does your course go over how you get levels in your setups? Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. We have a daily wick CE with a hourly gap here, and then a 4-hour wick CE up here. And then these levels are from an extra confluence that you guys do not know about. Would you consider 4-hour RB? Yeah, I have a limit up by the 4-hour RB as well. Yeah, if it's a wealth charts account, I did refresh it. It's for anything. The other account is working well. Debating if I should use NQ and MNQ. Depends on the size account you have and how much buffer you have in it. I just want to crawl out of BE phase. I keep ending up BE every day. You size down. You size down into micros, and that's how you really figure out your problem. You size down into micros, and you don't size up until you build a buffer. Very simple. Pikey's course, I went from eating bread sandwiches to eating steak and lobster for breakfast. Oh my god. 50k fresh account. No buffer. If you have no buffer, I would use micros. Can I use Trade C platform through? I have no idea what the fuck Trade C is. I hear people talking about it. No idea what it is. Since I have no buffer, I'm using 2 micros. Yeah, 2 to 3 micros is pretty solid for a 50k with no buffer, bro. That's pretty solid size. Why trading this shit hours? Everybody that comes in here, all the new kids that come in here, that don't trade Asia or have seen us trade Asia, they always ask this question, bro. Such a stupid question, bro. Sometimes a very stupid question, because Asia's great. Asia is fucking amazing. Right? But again, it depends. It all depends on the news. News is going to be the biggest factor, right? If we have 8:30 a.m. news the following day, then Asia is not going to be as great. If we don't have news the following day, Asia, the high or low of day is more than likely going to get put in Asia, right? So like yesterday, we took a trade from Asia lows all the way up into the highs. So it's just, if you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. Can you show us your New York trade from this morning? Bro, that stream is up. You can watch the New York trade. It was this move. We traded this move right here. This move all the way right here. This move we traded. What can we take from Asia moving into New York tomorrow? What's it called? Daily profile. Daily profile. You have a limit on 4-hour. See, Adam, I put it in the Cobra's Den, bro. Stop being so fucking lazy. Go look. I have my limit at 86. My higher limit is at 86. You can do gold analysis. Go watch my gold video that I made today, bro. I put out a video today on my gold strategy. Go watch that and it'll tell you exactly how I trade gold. Uh, blew my first eval today. Sorry, bro. You'd be okay. If we were to leave the trade through London, would you do that on eval accounts? If they don't have trailing drawdown, yeah. If they have trailing drawdown, no. New to Asia trading news at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow, so Asia's supposed to be... Yeah, Asia is expected to be dry today, yeah. Yep. Can you go through your process when you open for Asia? I just do like a higher time frame analysis from daily all the way down to like the 5-minute, and I see what PD arrays are here. Where could this reject from? Where could there be a potential high of day? Where's the draw on liquidity? Like things like that. Very simple. Never pass an eval. Should I use code key for 20 Apex and YOLO them in the short? No. If you've never passed an eval, no. If you've never passed an eval in your life, you should never be buying 20 concurrent. You should always just buy one. Try to pass one at least. Buy one, try to pass that one. If you could do that multiple times, then go buy 20. There's no point in doing that, bro. If you can't pass an eval, you probably can't get a payout, right? Like that's kind of just how it works. So what good is you being funded gonna do? It's not gonna do anything. You're just gonna blow the funded. Use your code for BGF, but I can't trade it yet. Yeah, you might have to wait a little bit to get the account. Curious when you would ignore the daily week CE when we create new PD arrays from it. When you would ignore the daily wick CE when we create... You're gonna have to restructure that question. I don't fully understand what you mean. What model do you trade? PO3 mainly, man. OTE lines up perfectly the 1 hour gap. CE, would you consider that? Yeah, well, this entry is gonna be like within that 1 hour gap CE. So yeah. Can you use the stream strategy on any index? Yes, you can. You absolutely can. Is it valid to risk 2 micros on these levels since I have $600? Yeah. You can, bro. I can't tell you how much to risk. You guys gotta like. You guys gotta do something on your own. You know, like I don't have no idea what your account looks like. So that's on you. Steel, what's good, Mr. Steel Arms? What's good, brother? Just got my first DBT last week. May get some Apex here, though. Sounds like I need to get in premium first, though. Yeah, bro. You got to lock in with some premium. Is your level 40 or 42? I just moved it up to 42. Just to be, like, at the same level as the daily CE. Because no doubt that we actually hit the daily CE if we come up to 40. I made 550 in one trade on GC last week on TPT. They forfeit 13K on my profits because 10K cap rule. They only have a 10K cap rule because they move you to live. So it's not that they forfeit, like, yeah, they'll move you to live on TPT if you make more than 10K, like, immediately. So that's kind of just how it goes. I mean, TPT is a great firm to go live with. A very good firm to go live with. So... actual daily close with a different one of the shows on the candle. What does that change? It doesn't really change anything. Premium is lit, guys. Everyone's so helpful to each other. They are. This is true. This is true. Can you show how you add the daily candle on the indicator? Yeah, bro. You just have to turn it on. So you see right here where I have the 1 day turned on. That's how you do it. Ramadan Mubarak, man. Ramadan Mubarak to all my homies. Ramadan Mubarak to all my Ramadamians, man. To all my Ramadamians. I'm gonna be Ramadamin tomorrow. Is your buy stop a stop? Lost for... Yeah, that's... Yeah, exactly. It is. Is premium chat super active? Yeah, they are pretty active, yeah. Could you tell us about Blue Guardian Futures? Never heard of it till I seen the banner. It was a pretty big forex. It still is. They're more into forex, kind of like Alpha. How Alpha was a forex firm primarily, and then transitioned to futures. Like has a futures you know, sister company now. It's the same thing with Blue Guardian. It's a good firm. Go look at the rules, bro. I would urge you guys to check out the rules for Blue Guardian, or really any firm, before you try it out. But yeah, they're a pretty good firm. I don't get how some of these questions are being asked. I know. Nice gold strategy video. Can we please see its execution in live trades? I go through my streams, bro. Pretty simple. Do you think shorts can continue lower now? No. It's gonna go higher first. It's gonna fill me and then it'll go lower. Is this one of the live trading streams that just talks about how badass Trump is all day? Yes, bro. That is all we do in here. We just talk about how fucking sick Trump is, like how sick of a guy he is. Do you post all your trades in premium? Do you take some personal ones? I don't usually never take any personal ones. If I do take a trade that's outside of premium, it's something that they are usually in as well. We all take the same trades. When is tomorrow? Oh man. Did you take the afternoon short? No, I took the morning long. Was it weird Trump women looking for a normal stream? No, we don't talk about fucking Trump in here, bro. Don't worry. This is a normal stream. It's a little slow right now, so I'm just chilling answering questions, but look, yo. Honestly though, if anybody is curious as to how these streams go, every stream is recorded. Go to my YouTube channel, go to live, watch the stream from this morning and watch the stream from last night. That'll tell you exactly how these streams go. How's the 720 been? It's been pretty good, bro. It's been pretty good. Car collection video. I don't think I have a collection, bro. I have 3 cars. Like, it's not really like a collection. I think a collection starts after 5 cars. Like 5 or more, that's a collection. 3 cars is not a collection. Hey, Key, why do people ask such dumb questions? Why do you have a Benz hat but love BMWs? I like Benzes too, bro. I like Benzes too. This is for the F1 team. Yeah, bro. Everybody like up the stream, bro. Everybody like up the stream. What kind of cars? I have a F80 M3. I have a Ford Raptor and a 720S. Would a CLS 63 a 16 be chiller? That's sick, bro. It's fire. CLS 63 at any age is sick. Are you streaming New York YouTube tomorrow? Yes. How was Wall Street when you went a few months ago with Shinobi? It was pretty cool. Next Miami trip. I'm going to be there April 2nd, Steel. I'm pulling up April 2nd. Lots on hypercar scene like Bugattis, Paganis. Go to Dream Ride in Hartford every year. Feel like they're always broke down. I mean, they're not meant to be driven, though. You get what I'm saying? Like, hypercars really are not meant to be driven like that. And that's really the reason why I chose a 720S over a Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport because I be driving the shit out of my cars, and unfortunately I wouldn't be able to drive the shit out of the hypercar. What happened to the Porsche? I traded in the Porsche, bro. What is Cobra trading in your bio? It's my group. What car do you own right now? I have 3. I literally just went over the 3 cars that I have. That's why you didn't buy. Yes, bro. Yes, exactly. That, and they didn't offer the Bugatti in the neon green color that I wanted. I wanted a full neon green exposed carbon, and unfortunately they didn't have that. So that's why I was like, nah, I don't want the Bugatti, bro. So maybe if they come out with a neon green, fully exposed carbon, neon green carbon option, I would consider it. But yeah, that's the real reason why I didn't buy a Bugatti. Thoughts on Euro USD? I don't know. I haven't looked at Euro USD. Not looked yet. How long have you been trading for? At least 7 years this year, bro. What is 10x Apex Acts? Please explain. It just means I'm doing a giveaway for 10 Apex accounts for anybody who uses the code key on any of those firms up there. Who's got an Apex eval? Where do I trade now, or which platform do you recommend? Well, I hope you bought the right one. So if you go to your dashboard, I hope it says Tradeovate. If you bought the Tradeovate one, then all you do is you log in to TradingView, you log into Tradeovate on TradingView broker, and that's it. Is today's first 4-hour trade wick valid? Take short. No, the low of today is valid. Valid. What do you think about Top Step? Ass. Can I please get 1 Apex account key? I'm about to give away 1 Apex account. You guys ready? I'm gonna put the code up here on the screen. Whoever puts it in first and redeems it, it's for any size account. Any size account, okay? Whoever puts it in and redeems it first, it's yours. All right, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Is everybody ready? I'm about to put in the code on the screen. I'm gonna put it right down here. Keep your eyes right down in this area, okay? That's where I'm putting it. All right, here it is. Wait, let me type it off screen so I can like just copy and paste it in here. All right, here it is. Any size account, Apex, any size account. Any size account, lock it in, bro. Here you go. Claimed? Who got it? Who got it? Tell me who got it. I got it? Let's go, bro. W. Wait, did multiple people just get that? Yeah, why are they typing it in? Why are you guys typing it in the chat, bro? Yo, that boy Siu Paul is fast, bro. I got it? Okay, so who actually just got it? Tell me if you like actually checked out and claimed it and it's in your dashboard. I got it. Okay, so a few people got it, I guess. No, it's definitely not everyone. I checked out and claimed. Coupon limits. Yeah, bro. So you were too late. You were too late. But a bunch of people got it. You guys want one more? One more? Yo, buddy. Sushi, buddy, lock in. I'm giving away Apex accounts. All right, another one incoming. You guys ready? Another one incoming. You guys ready? Right here. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm putting it in. I'm putting it in. Boom. Next code right here. This is the last one. This is the last one. The rest of them are all going to be on the giveaway. This is the last one. How you going to say you got it, bro? Bullshit. There's no way you already got this. Nice. Let's go, bro. Got it? Okay. Few people got it. All right. There goes that. I don't know why they're putting it in the chat, bro. That's kind of dumb. What's the point of putting it in the chat? I don't even know where to type it. In the checkout. You type it in the checkout, bro. Anyways, too late now. We'll give away some more later. I got both. W, bro. W. 2 free accounts for a bunch of people. Fire. Fire. One more? No. Key, how did I get 2? What do you mean? Did you claim, like, did you use it on one code? Yo, they're gonna start flagging these codes and be like, yo, this guy fucking Keyflow's audience is like 50 people are claiming one code, bro. I think it's because if you do it like in a short enough time span, more than one person can claim it. Hey guys, I just got here. Did I miss anything? Yeah, bro, you missed everything, gang. Do one in premium? Yeah, I'm gonna do a bunch in. I'm gonna do way more than 2 codes in premium, bro. Don't worry. You think your levels would be high a day? I mean, I would hope, right? If anyone wants the account to miswrite the code instead of code key, yes. But these are free accounts. These are completely free. They're not. With code key, you still have to pay the $19. With these codes, you don't pay shit. They're completely free. I should have got a 300K account. 300K accounts are not that good, bro. You gotta make $20,000 on those. It's not worth it. Why hasn't Apex banned you or made you go live? They really only bring you up to live if you're requesting multi 6 figures at one time. Or if you build a stupid balance in your account. Ban me? They're not gonna ban me. I haven't done anything to get banned, bro. $19 is crazy. Yeah, bro, that's how much the accounts are on Apex right now. 90% off. Can you hear me out? Give me... What, Blasky? What's up? Playlist? Right here. You just saved me $40, man. There you go, bro. There you go. What, Blasky? I'm hearing you out, bro. What you got? Tell me what you got. How much is activation? Activation is 70. I think 70 bucks. I think it's 70 bucks. Somewhere around there. 75. Okay, it was 75. Keep activating this reading NQ and MGZ tonight. NQ, I'm expecting a rejection from this area up here, right? I have 2 limits up here, so expecting a rejection there. And then gold. I haven't looked at gold yet. I'll look at gold in a little bit. Have not looked at gold. But I would personally go watch the YouTube video that I made today on my gold strategy if you haven't already, and that'll give you a really good idea about what I think about gold. If your eval's about to expire, it's better just get a new one. Makes no sense to renew. Yeah. If they're about to expire, it's better to cancel and then get new ones, yes. Brilliant idea. Bro, Blasky, I'm waiting for you to tell me your idea. What do you... What is your brilliant idea? Call me? Let's see what Blasky has to say. Hold on.
Yeah, I was just typing it out. All right.
All right, don't say the N-word. I'm on you. Everybody can hear you.
Perfect. All right. So what you should do is for everyone in the stream right now, have everyone give the code out except for the last number, and then everyone has it ready in their cart, ready to buy, and then you give out the last number for it, so everyone buys it at the same time and see how many people gets it.
Not a horrible idea. Not a horrible idea.
How about the stream? Hook up the homies.
Okay, yeah, we could do that. We could do that. All right. I'll try one code with that right now.
Good shit.
All right. Okay, we're gonna try one more code with that, bro. We are gonna, bro, we're gonna cook Apex after this, bro. They're gonna ban us again. All right. I'm gonna type it out right here. I'm not gonna put the last letter, okay? The last letter or number I'm not gonna put. So everybody get this in your thing, and then I'm not gonna put the last letter or number in here right now. 9HS43MK. So you're gonna go to Apex, you're gonna pick an account, pick a Tradeovate account, okay? Any size, doesn't matter. Tradeovate account. And then once you click the account, it should you gotta like check two things, and then there's gonna be a thing for coupon code. Put this code that I'm about to give you, the last number for, in the coupon code. All right. You guys ready? Is everybody ready? Does everybody have this in their, it's not the letter U, moron. Does everybody have this in their cart? No? Okay, hurry up, bro. Get it in there. Hurry up. Is it a number or letter? I'm not telling you that, bro. I'll put it there when everybody's ready. I'm gonna give you guys until this next 1 minute candle, okay? So 50 seconds. 50 seconds. We gotta wait 50 seconds, okay? Somebody goes, got it. Thanks, got it. You guys are so dumb, bro. I swear to God. Like, I didn't even put it up yet. You guys are lost it. All right. There it is. That's the last one. It's 3. The last letter, the last number is 3. Bro, you guys that already, you guys that like tried guessed it, bro. Bro, you guys are scumbags, bro. I swear to God, bro. I'm not doing another one. I'm not doing another one on here. Those guys just ruined it for everybody, bro. They ruined it for everybody because you guys would have all been able to claim it. So blame, who's this kid, bro? Who was it? FF Trader, blame him. And blame, who's the other guy? I think it was just FF Trader. Oh, and T Glicky. FF Trader and T Glicky, bro. They just fucked you guys over. Because everybody would have been able to claim it at the same time, and those guys just cooked you guys, claimed it before everybody, and just fried everyone. So FF Trader and fucking the other guy. T Glicky. What do you mean? What did you do? You guessed the number, or you guessed the number. You claimed it before everybody, so nobody else could get it. So you guys are banned, bro. You guys are banned. All right, stop spamming. Stop spamming. Stop spamming. Raul, you're gonna get banned. Stop spamming. Stop spamming. Yeah, bro. They see, this is just the way the world works, bro. Too many Netanyahu spawn in this world, bro. That guy's straight Netanyahu spawn, bro. 100% tuning in from Tel Aviv right now. I promise it didn't even work. Nah, bro, you can't say that because you guys literally guessed 3. You guys typed in the chat, it's 3 before I put the letter the number 3 in there. So you can't tell me it didn't work because you guys guessed it. Last 2. All right, bro. I'm gonna do last 2. Okay. All right. I'll give away one more, and I'm gonna do the last 2. If somebody ruins this, I'm never doing a giveaway on here again, bro. All right, everybody, go get your carts ready. Get your carts ready, okay? Okay. This code is missing 2 right now, okay? When everybody has this in their coupon code BRAWNN, when they have it in there, yes, this is on Apex. Any size account on Apex. Any size account on Apex, guys. I'm going to put the last 2 codes once everybody has this in their cart. Put in those last 2 and you guys should all be able to claim it at the same time, which means multiple people should be able to get it. Okay? Multiple people should be able to get it. Ask for likes. Bro, true. Yo, good idea, bro. How many likes do we have on the stream right now, bro? Okay, so we have 2,000 people in here, right? 2,000 people in here. We have 246 likes. This is unacceptable. I'm gonna need 500 likes minimum before I drop this code, bro. 500 likes minimum before I drop this code right now. $500 likes, bro. Let's go. Come on. I know you guys could do it, bro. 500 likes. 500 likes. Let's go. 500 likes. Code's going to get dropped. We're at 350. 350. Come on. Y'all got it, bro. Everybody just hit the like. Hit the like real quick. Just hit the like. 300K. I do 50Ks, bro. 50K or 150K is better. How to claim? You just click it. You go to the checkout, and there's gonna be a thing to claim it. How many likes we at? What are we at? 379, bro. Like up the stream. Like up the stream. Everybody hit like. Everybody hit like. We need 120 more likes. 120 more likes. Don't do static, bro. Don't do static. All right, we're at 400. I'm gonna need some more, bro. I'm gonna need some more than that. 400 with 2K people watching, defo not enough, bro. That's not enough. I know you guys got more in you, bro. All you gotta do is a hit like. That's it. That's all you gotta do. What size accounts? Any size. Any size you want, bro. Any size you want. All right. All right. I'm about to do the last two digits here, okay? We're at 420. 420. So in an effort to blaze it, we're going to put the last 2, all right? Is everybody ready? Is everybody ready? Does everybody have this in their cart? Oh my god, bro. All right. Ready? All right, here's the last 2. TG. TG. BRAWNNTG. Those are the last 2. Got it? Nice, bro. Nice. Okay, a bunch of people should have gotten that. A bunch of people should have gotten that one. If you guys all claimed it, like, relatively about the same time, there a bunch of people should have gotten that. Usage limit. Okay, nice. There you go, bro. Bunch of people got it. Let's go, bro. Fire. Hell yeah. Love to see it. Love to see it, bro. Yo, we low-key just scammed the system. Nobody tell Apex we did that, bro. Look how many people got it. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is hilarious, bro. Nah, bro, we actually just broke the system. Oh god. If Apex catches wind of this, bro, we're done for. It's over for us, bro. It's over for us if Apex catches wind of this. Let's do 19 more. Yeah, you guys are tripping out, bro. You guys are tripping. If you guys want to get entered in more, the easiest way to do that for 10 accounts, okay, giving away 10 accounts to anybody who uses code KEY on any of these firms, Apex, TPT, Alpha, or Blue Guardian, any of those of your choice. If you use code KEY, it gives you the best discount available anyways. So if you guys use code KEY, you should always be using code KEY. Code KEY gives you profitability. Code KEY gives you a lot of things, bro. A lot of things in life. So if you guys use code KEY, you automatically get entered in a giveaway. And then towards the end of the week, we're rolling out a PDF and what's it called? PDF and a video on like my prop firm model, like scaling, rules, the way I pass evals, 1 day passes, like all of those things. I don't see it, but I bought it. If you bought it, it'll be there. You might just have to wait a little bit. It'll be there though. Don't worry. My GF helped me. WGF, bro. Hell yeah. Bro, if you're in the premium, don't worry, bro. I'm going to give away more accounts in there. Don't worry, gang. Don't worry. Don't worry. We still have to pay activation. Yeah, you have to pay activation. You just don't have to pay like the actual fee for the account. You just don't have to pay like the... Oh, whoa, whoa, that's my stream. Okay, back to business. So, yeah, still have these two limits up here. I mean, market is moving super, super slow. That's the reason we were doing these giveaways, because these were just moving. This is just moving insanely slow, bro. Insanely slow right now. Not much going on. 10 p.m. does need to go a little bit lower for sure, but from a 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, I mean, there's literally nothing here. All right, those are the time frames that I would like to see this manipulate to. So we don't have anything in there. Therefore, kind of have to just wait for these to get hit, right? Nothing else. But these levels, I'll put these levels up here in case you can't see. So the first level is 25,042 with 20 point stop. Oh my god, what the fuck? I just moved my stop loss. Okay, 25,042 with 20 point stop. And then up here we have 25,086 with 20 point stop. All right, these are the two levels. Okay, these are the two levels up here. How to redeem the codes? It's too late, bro. You can't redeem it, bro. They already redeemed it, bro. They redeemed it. Along to the levels. If there was a good setup, yeah, but there's no good setup here. You pay monthly if you don't pass within the first month, correct? Yes. Have to pass within the first month. I'm doing 5 minis. You're tweaking. Yep, we'll be here tomorrow, New York. As soon as New York opens, I will be here as well. So 9:15-ish, 9:15 a.m.-ish New York, I will be here. And then 9:30, I'm here for Asia. Oh, Shin Booby is here. Shin Booby is here. Let's bank, guys. Let's bank is here. But yeah, if you guys don't know, 9:15 a.m. is the New York stream. At 9:30 p.m. is the Asia stream. 2 streams a day. I'm the only trader on YouTube doing it like this twice a day, every day. Bangers every day. Bangers, 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 and free accounts. Let's bank. $2,000 free accounts today. Bro, we gave away a lot of free accounts here today. I'm up to 13 qualified evals stacked, ready to convert to PAs when I get paid next week. Let's go, Scott. Let's go, Scott. W. Okay. Yo. Hold on. I'm gonna need everybody to stop spamming Let's Bank, and then this guy spamming the N-word, you're gonna be hidden from the channel now, effective now, forever. How do I link my 4 accounts together to trade at the same time? It does it by itself. You can either do it on the TradeVate group trade feature, or you could do Tradecopia. Tradecopia is great as well. We have a strategy on how to place limit buys or sells. The strategy where I place limit buys or sells, I don't teach publicly. It is behind a paywall. I teach a different strategy, still a good one, publicly here. That strategy to get like bottom and top tick levels, like these levels, I only teach in my premium, which is the first link in the description. A purchase premium version today. I need to know how to access the community. You have to go on wap.com and claim the role that says Cobras. Very, very simple and easy, bro. Very simple and easy. Flow model better than no model. Built up my confidence. Flow model is great, bro. Flow model is amazing. Flow model, bro. I literally made a whole video on my student Arash, the GOAT, bro. Got paid. He makes multiple hundreds of thousands using Flow model, bro. Got paid over 60K last month using Flow model. So yeah, of course it works. Shinobi's here. I know. Shinobi's been here, bro. Shinobi been in here, tween. One more giveaway, please. Nah, bro, you got to use code key. That's how you get giveaway now. Channel's amazing. Thank you for your lessons. Thanks, man. I appreciate it, bro. Apex sent me an email. It said they want all their... That's mad funny, bro. Long soon. I don't see a long here, so like I'm not gonna take the long. But this should trade a little bit higher into my limits to reject. Can we pass in one day? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You use Apex. I use Apex. I use TPT. I use Alpha, Blue Guardian, and Tradeify. You never answered me, fam, about this. What do you mean, give away 10 Apex accounts? No. It's 10 total accounts to 10 different winners. Down 1,400. What tips you got? Size down, bro. Size down. Got a free 50K and 150K. Let's go, bro. W. Best for me, it's a close tie between TPT and Apex. Very close tie between TPT and Apex. Where can I find the video of your guys' success with Flow Model? I briefly mentioned it, but he's in. Scott, aren't you in the Discord? If you're in the Discord, he's in the Discord. His name is Arash. Are they gonna enforce that? They see your orders, bro. They see your orders. Easy to enforce. Don't you like MFF? Bro, I just have bad luck with MFF, dude. I said this before, but like for some reason, I could just never get a payout on MFF. I just kept blowing accounts. It never made any sense to me, bro. I think MFF was just some bad juju, bro. Every other firm I've done great. MFF never gotten a payout, bro, because it's just I don't know why. And so this was back, what, like I think a year and a half ago that I tried MFF. So ever since then, I just never tried it again. Not that it's a bad firm, but I never got paid out. Like, I don't know. I just don't use it. I'll do 5 to 7 micros on this NQ move. Yeah, it's up to you. Whatever you want to do. Yes, this daily and 4-hour candle indicator is this right here. ICT HTF candles by Fadi. I heard Fund Index is good. It's not bad. I've tried Fund Index before. It's not bad. Not bad. Haven't gotten a payout on Fund Index either, but whenever I feel like, you know, trying it again, maybe. Where do you show your stats? When the trade is open, it shows everything here. Now the chat has slowed down. Thanks, man, for the 300K. Nice, dude. W. Are you gonna let this run through London and New York? Yes. You know, Benjamin SMC? Nope. Made 22K in December, but MFF then couldn't replicate on Alpha. Yeah, bro. I don't know. Some firms, it's just like that. It's weird. It's very weird. Any firms other than Top Step you would not recommend? That I would not recommend? I mean, any firm that's like new that doesn't have like any backing, I would not recommend. Because these new firms open up all the time and it looks like they have great rules, and they do, but they just don't end up being sustainable, and the firms go under and you lose all your money. Happened so many times now. So if it's not a well-known, like pre-established firm, then I just don't try it. Trendline? I don't know about that one. I'm gonna end up staying here for London this volatility. Yeah, I probably will. That's on Lucid. I'm trying Lucid right now, so I'll let you guys know whenever I'm done trying Lucid if I like it or not. I'm trying it right now, though. Target on these shorts. This low, bro. This low right here. 24,752. 15-minute, this low. Can we see your trade history? Yeah, sure. All my streams are recorded. Every trade is entered on live in front of everybody. So just go watch my streams. Funding pips. Didn't fund... Wait, was it funding ticks or funding pips? Or one of those went down. Or like... Who was it, bro? It was funding something, right? Unless I'm wrong. One of them went down. Funding ticks. Yeah, funding ticks. Okay, that's the one that was, that went down. Firehat, did you take any trades yet? Or just have limits? I just have limits up, bro. No trades here yet. How many trades you need till you switch from paper to funded? What do you mean, how many trades I need? I don't know what the fuck that means. I feel like I would Lucid. No, not yet. I told you I'm trying them out right now. Once I get paid out and I like it, I will recommend Lucid and get a code with them. But right now, nothing. No code with Lucid yet. Are we fasting tomorrow? Yeah, bro. Yes. Yes, we are. You can't pass Apex in one day. You can absolutely pass it in one day. How are you going to tell me, bro? We just one day passed yesterday, last night. There's no consistency. Nothing. No rules in the eval. You can pass it in one day. Tix is down and Pips is up. If they're owned by the same guy, why is one down and one's up if they're owned by the same guy? That's weird. Yeah, so you see the part where it says subject to any active promotions for one day pass? Using code key is that promotion, and you do get a one day pass with code key. So no rules, no nothing. CEO never cared for futures, really? Okay, makes sense, I guess. Taking these on your Apex accounts? Yes, I am. Not the fresh stack, because remember, I already have a stack. So this is my old stack. That's why I'm taking it with a mini. If this was my fresh stack, or if you're trading this on the fresh stack of Apexes, then I would, if I was you guys, if I was trading the fresh stack, I would take this with only micros, like 3 micros. Don't go heavy. Do not go heavy. Size down, bro. Okay. You can tell my mom is a lawyer. Bro's reading the fine print. Bro's reading the finest of print. Now that's good though. That's good. You should always read the fine print anyway. But yeah, you are right. Normally it is not a one day pass. It's just because the using code key you get one day pass. Can NQ fall here? It can, but I would not be trading a short until it gets up here. About wealth charts? Oh my god, bro, you sell out, bro. What's wrong with you? Why would you buy the hell would you buy fucking wealth charts? Can you explain these limit orders, what your entry criteria is? This is daily wick CE, 1 hour gap, and then one of my levels. And then this is 4 hour wick CE and one of my levels. Yeah, we'll be here for New York too, guys. It's almost 11. So at 11, I mean, nothing's going to happen in the next 5 minutes. So I'm probably going to end the stream here soon. Yeah, this is just going to be sideways for the most part until most likely New York, 8:30. When we have the news. So Yeah, I don't think anything happens here tonight, but yeah. External SMT with IVG 1-to-1. I don't trade 1-to-1. What's wrong with wealth charts? I never hear it. Bro, I don't know what the fuck wealth charts is. Like, I have no idea what it is. So I just stay away from it. London will probably trap. Yeah, either London taps my limits or New York taps my limits. One of the two is gonna happen. So we will see. What's the difference between YouTube Lives and Discord Premium? Discord Premium gets a lot more, bro. A lot more. I don't want to sit here and like try to sell my Discord Premium. You guys can join the free Discord and talk to the people that are in Premium, and they'll tell you. But yeah. That's all I got for you guys tonight, bro. I'm probably gonna end the stream here. Nothing's gonna happen here tonight. Gold. My boy's asking about gold. I'll tell you gold real quick. I'll check out gold for you, okay? Gold daily. Wow, holy consolidation of doom. Nothing here on gold yet. The rejection block on the 4 hour is going to be this one or this one. Okay, so these are the 2 4 hours I would have marked out. Go down to the 1 hour. Nothing here on the 1 hour. Go to the 15 minute. On the 15 minute, we do have this, but I don't like this that much. But we do have this. This would be like the only one, the immediate one on gold. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Okay. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys. Love you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at 9:15 a.m. Everybody be here. We are going to eat tomorrow morning. And yeah, bro, that's it. Have a beautiful night, guys. See you guys tomorrow morning. Let me just put the limits up one more time, bro, for anybody who did not see them. But here you go. Here's the limits. Here's the limits right here, okay? 25.042 with 20-point stop. 25.086 with 20-point stop. I'm going to leave these limits. Yes, I am leaving these limits. Have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out, Girl Scout. Yes, I'm holding through news.